Hi, this is Queen, Head of Customer Success here at AEvent. In the previous video, I've shown you how to connect your streaming platform and how to enable it for your campaign. The next thing that we need to do is to connect your CRM, email, SMS, and voicemail tools. Now that we have our streaming platform connected, we need to plug in our marketing stack. So these integrations power your actions inside AEvent, like sending messages, adding tags, dropping voicemails, and triggering automations. To set them up, the same way we did with our streaming platform, we need to go to integrations. And as you can see here on the left hand side, you'll see the different integration types. We are currently showing all integrations. Now, if in any case, just like in your case, you are new to AEvent and you're just starting to connect your applications or your integrations, you can click on Add Integration here on the upper right. And you'll see here that we have more than 60 plus supported tools, all of them organized alphabetically. You just have to look them up here, scroll down, or you can simply type the name of the integration here to search it. So let's look at the email service providers or CRM that we have connected. Currently, we have a lot connected on my account. In your case, one example that we can add is ActiveCampaign for your CRM or your email. Now, if you connect ActiveCampaign, let's click on this one. ActiveCampaign, click on it and then click on Add Integration. You will be prompted for your API URL. After you enter your integration name, you click on Connect, and then you will be prompted for the API URL and API key. You can retrieve both from your ActiveCampaign account. Once you have them and you have them entered here, you just have to click on Continue and then you will be connected. To test if that connection is successful, like everything else here on the list, you just have to click on Test and you'll get a message indicating if the connection is successful or not. For your SMS or multimedia and ringless voicemail, let's click on this integration type. And as you can see, we have Twilio for SMS, we have Slybroadcast for ringless voicemail. The same way we set up ActiveCampaign earlier, when you add the integration, let's try Twilio again. Just have to click on Add Integration, name your integration, click on Connect. With Twilio, you will be prompted for your account SID and authorization token. Both can be retrieved within your Twilio account. Once you have them, enter those information on this prompt and then hit on Continue. Don't forget to test the integration after you have successfully connected it, just to make sure that we have established successful connection between Twilio and AEvent. The same way with Slybroadcast, you just have to connect using your username and password. So let's say we don't have a Slybroadcast connected yet. Let's look for Slybroadcast here. Let's name it. Click on Connect, and then you will be prompted for your username and password. Once this is connected, you'll be able to send ringless voicemails to any registrants who provide their phone number to you. Aside from these, you can also integrate other applications like ConvertKit, MailChimp, Keep, Klaviyo, Message91, and Aweber, or any other applications you need to integrate. If your tool is not on the list, just let us know because we're constantly adding new integrations. Just like with Zoom or GoToWebinar, you have to name your integrations clearly in case you'll be adding more accounts using that specific integration. That way you can easily identify which one to use for your campaign. When we create your campaign, you'll be able to select which integrations apply specifically to that campaign. Now, with our tools successfully connected, we're ready to start building. In the next video, we will create your first campaign and I'll walk you through exactly how each piece connects together. See you there!